First, we import React and the Suspense component from the React package. Suspense is a React utility that lets us specify a loading indicator for any component that is being loaded lazily. Here, we define lazy component using React Lazy. This function allows us to dynamically import a component, which means that it will not be loaded until it's needed. This is beneficial for performance, especially for large components or when they're not immediately required when the app loads. The placeholder component is a simple functional component that returns a div with the text loading. This component will be shown to users as a visual cue that content is being loaded in the place where lazy component will eventually be rendered. In this part of the code, we create another functional component called myComponent. Inside its return statement, we are setting up the structure we'll see on the screen. We start with a heading tag containing the text myComponent. Next, we incorporate our Suspense component. We set its fallback prop to our placeholder component. This means that while lazy component is being loaded, Suspense will render the placeholder component instead, showing the loading indicator to the user. Here, we can see the complete setup within myComponent. When this component is rendered, the lazy component will start loading, and until it's ready, the placeholder component will be displayed. By using Suspense with the lazy import, we keep our app responsive and reduce the initial load time, which helps to improve the user experience.